Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun beginning intermediate tap routine for you to learn. So let's watch a quick preview, grab those tap shoes, and let's get started. 5, 6, 2 toe heels. Toe, heel, toe, heel. Then we're going to shuffle toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel. From there, we're going to flap forward, flap. We're going to do 2 heels, forward and back, and then a backwards flap. So a spank, toe, heel, and then a spank. So once again, nice and slow. This goes toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, toe, heel, flap, heel, heel, spank, toe, heel, spank. Nice and slow, facing the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a tiny bit faster. 5, 6. Ready, go, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From there, we're going to do 2 more shuffle toe heels side to side. Shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel. From here, we're going to shuffle our left foot. Shuffle, heel, snap. So all I'm doing is I'm shuffling and bringing that foot in front, and then shuffling and bringing that foot in back. So once again, that second count of 8 goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And piecing that together from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. Nice and slow. 1. Facing the back, nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And a little faster. 6, 7, 8. You go. 1. And even faster, 5, 6, ready, go. Moving on from there, we're going to scuff that heel. Scuff, heel, then spank, heel, then scuff, heel. We're going to bring it around into a toe, heel. Once again, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. From there, we're going to shuffle around. Shuffle, toe, heel, out. And stamp that foot. So that third count of 8 will sound like this. And that third count of 8 facing the back. And piecing that together from the beginning. And that last count of 8, we're going to start with 2 quick paradiddles, which is dig, spank, toe, heel, dig, spank, toe, heel. That's 1 A and a 2 A and a. So it'll sound like this. Once again, that's dig, spank, toe, heel, dig, spank, toe, heel. It's just extra fast. From there, you're going to dig that heel into the ground 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do your supporting leg heel. This is 3 and 4 and. From there, we're going to spank that foot that's already up. Spank, heel, shuffle, toe, heel, and then we're going to bring that around to our finish. So that last count of 8 will sound like this. And that last count of 8 facing the back. And piecing that together nice and slow from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. And the entire thing facing the back nice and slow. 5, 6, ready, go. Before we piece it together with the music. 5, 6, ready, go. Okay guys, it is now time to piece it together with the music. Remember, once again, you can always speed it up or slow it down based upon your level. So good luck and try your best. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tap combo. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.